high. If you are running a company which is registered under Companies Act 2013 or the erstwhile Companies Act, which is 1956, there could be instances where you need to halt your operations. You need to keep your operations pending for some time due to some reasons. But when you keep the operations of your company pending, still you have to file nil returns, because today the penalties in the Companies Act 2013 are exorbitant, very high. The income tax penalties are high, the GST penalties are high, the law pertaining to employees' returns are high, that's the PF, etc., employee insurance, ESIC, etc. The penalties pertaining to the professional tax are high. Undoubtedly, companies law is also, the penalties are also on a higher side. So, the law right now says that you must file nil returns. Invariably, that cannot be escaped. In those circumstances, if you don't file nil returns, you will suffer penalties. And if you file nil returns, you will suffer expenses. What is the remedy you have? The remedy you have at those circumstances is to apply before the registrar of companies to obtain a status called the dormant status, to make your company a dormant company. In simple language, your company will be kept in cold storage with a status called dormant. So whenever you come out of your hibernation, whenever you come to a conclusion that the conditions in the market are favorable to you, the market is favorable to you, you can again make an application and bring it out of the cold storage and change your status from dormant to active. Instead of not filing the returns or instead of filing the nil returns, it is better to opt for dormant company, apply for a dormant company. The procedure is very simple. You have to meet the registrar of companies and there is a procedure which is prescribed under Companies Act 2013. Because if you don't file the returns for 2 years, your company will be suffering from the struck off act of the registrar of companies. Your company may be struck off from the registrar of companies if you don't file the returns for the 2 years consecutively. So to escape that, apply to a dormant status, so which will save you from all the complications. Hope I am clear. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, kindly comment.